When one thinks about the future, the best thing to do is to make the most important decisions today. And what decision could be better than choosing an excellent academic path that really makes a difference? So, come join us on a tour through the Medical Sciences University, Universidad de Ciencias Médicas, UCIMED. The University for Health Sciences is located in Costa Rica, a tropical paradise recognized around the world for its amazing biodiversity, conservation of natural resources, and the accomplishment of important goals: free and mandatory education, a steady democracy, for being one of the countries that has committed a great deal of resources to protect the environment. This makes it a favorite tourism destination worldwide. Its commitment is also clearly reflected in the development of social security and research on health sciences. As a result of this development, Costa Rica is now one of the most qualified countries in Latin America, which results in the interests of the medical sector in general. Costa Ricans were a key and inspiring factor for creation of the Pan-American Health Organization, WHO. Our health system is comparable to the one in developed countries. More than 30 years ago, and as an initiative of Dr. Andrés Vesalio Guzmán Calleja and others, the Central American School of Medical Sciences was created. It was first located in the premises of former Chapuy Mental Institution, currently the San Juan de Dios Hospital in San Jose, Costa Rica, which later became what today is the University of Medical Sciences. Since this enigmatic building was its first official headquarters, the dome design was adopted as the emblem of the university. Continuously looking forward excellence in the academic field, the Escuela Autónoma de Ciencias Médicas began offering the medical major. Later, it created the major in pharmacy. After a well-deserved recognition both in the health and local education fields, in 1999, the Consejo Superior de Educación, CONESUP, grants the distinction of becoming the University of Medical Sciences. Ever since our commitment is to society, the search for excellence did not stop there. Afterwards, the university began to grant majors in physiotherapy and nutrition, both closely related to the development of health sciences. It is one of the best options in the teaching of health sciences, not only in the country, but also around Latin America. With its major in physiotherapy, UCIMED offers revolutionary education in the field, making use of sophisticated equipment, updated curriculum, and all the necessary tools to guarantee the excellence in every course. It is precisely the access to intense theoretical-practical training and to specialized labs what provides the student with academic studies encompassing the areas of cardiac, neurological, orthopedic, sports, and water rehabilitation, aiming to enhance all the learning process. Being a fundamental value for UCIMED, the search for academic excellence is not negotiable. So, it offers extensive physiotherapeutic education based on the acquisition of new skills and abilities, such as the treatment of sport injuries, physioaesthetics, tractions, manipulation, and muscle potentiation, all of which provide students additional tools to succeed in their professional future.
En lo que es fisioterapia tenemos un enfoque mucho más clínico a las distintas instituciones del país, lo que nos ha permitido trabajar con el Hospital CIMA, con la Clínica Bíblica, la Escuela de Rehabilitación y Senare, entre otras instituciones de gran prestigio, y contar así con los mejores profesores para nuestra formación. En cuanto al laboratorio, pueden ver que tenemos un laboratorio completamente equipado con equipo de última tecnología que nos ha permitido variar las terapias a nuestros pacientes, dándoles así la mejor opción de tratamiento que pueden recibir.
In order to contribute with the education of new professionals whose actions are directly related to the field of local nutrition practices, UCIMED offers the nutrition major. Students count on the best technical and academic equipment, such as a lab for the evaluation of the nutritional status and food lab. The nutritionist can work in areas as nutritional education, clinical nutritional consultation, and in sports area, among others.
Estudiar nutrición en la UCIMED tiene ciertas ventajas. Tenemos laboratorios de punta, tenemos un laboratorio nuevo de servicios de alimentación, tenemos laboratorio de química de los alimentos, nuestros profesores son los profesores más reconocidos en el ámbito nacional. Tenemos la ventaja de que podemos desenvolvernos con médicos, con farmacéuticos, con fisioterapeutas todos los días, lo cual nos permite tener un mejor lenguaje a la hora de trabajar en los hospitales y entender mucho mejor los aspectos médicos. En los últimos años, como profesional en nutrición, he aprendido a trabajar con personas, me puedo desempeñar en hospitales tanto públicos como privados, puedo trabajar en la industria farmacéutica, puedo trabajar en industria alimentaria como en hoteles y en restaurantes.
Graduates from the pharmacy school at UCIMED are professionals who have had the best training in the field, which makes them the ideal pharmacists for the country and allows them to successfully enter the work market, both in and out of the country. Having one of the best academic infrastructures in Central America, the pharmacy school welcomes hundreds of students who each year benefit directly from spacious auditoriums, chemistry, physiology, drug analysis, industrial pharmacy labs, medical library, and many classrooms. All of this, together with an education imparted by recognized and successful professionals in the field, makes UCIMED an excellent choice for those interested in a pharmacy major. UCIMED, as a private university, offers within its syllabus in pharmacy the rotating internship program, which makes it easier for the just graduated professional to integrate into the private and public work market.
Lo importante de la rotación en UCIMED es que el estudiante conoce todos los campos, desde hospital hasta industria, hasta visita médica. Y, por ejemplo, cuando está en industrial, le permite más adelante, cuando esté en una farmacia o cuando esté en un hospital, aparte de hacer preparaciones que tiene que hacer ahí, puede saber cuál es el cuidado, por qué se cuidan los medicamentos de cierta forma, que no les dé la luz. Aquí es donde ellos los hacen y ellos entienden por qué los medicamentos no se deben combinar unos con otros, o sí se pueden combinar unos con otros. Pero las rotaciones le permiten a uno eso, desde interactuar con pacientes hasta trabajar verdaderamente haciendo medicamentos.
What differentiates a graduate from medicine at UCIMED from graduates of other universities? As a graduate of UCIMED, you will become part of the national and international health system and will be able to show not only unquestionable academic training, but also the ethics, social, and human knowledge for the appropriate interrelation with others. You will also differentiate yourself as a professional who perfectly combines commitment with knowledge and technology. Examples of this are the modern buildings and labs you will be able to make use of: chemistry, biology, pathology labs, among others. Here, we have the most cutting-edge microscopes and equipment, and we perform deep investigation of diseases, as well as parasitological and nutrition studies to evaluate food. All of this allows the UCIMED graduate to make a difference. Each lesson offers the needed resources to keep the student up to date and to offer access to high-quality education, which will result in a top-ranked professional. Given the importance of including the field of technology in education and providing support for the triad student, teacher, patient, UCIMED has the first and only medical simulation room in the region, where students have the possibility to make use of practical cutting-edge equipment, such as injection training arm, allows the student to draw blood, place IV fluids, injections, intramuscular and intradermal injections. A suture leg model is an anatomically realistic simulator of a lower limb, which allows students to suture at the same point up to 100 times. Ear examination simulator allows the student to learn the proper examination of the ears. It can simulate blood or wax in the ear canal in order to learn extraction procedures. Pelvis probe allows students to perform the examination of the genital and urinary tracts of men and women. facilitating the placement of practice. Eye examination simulator teaches the student the correct technique to visualize the eye, as well as the most common diseases seen in the ophthalmology fundus. Sound mannequin has up to 69 different sounds. Each sound is heard in the appropriate anatomical site. Cardiosym is a cutting-edge technological system which has pre-recorded sounds of a great number of heart diseases and lungs. These sounds can be either simulated or from real patients.
La Universidad de Ciencias Médicas fue la institución de escogencia para mi crecimiento y aprendizaje en medicina. Esta decisión la tomé en un inicio por recomendaciones de familiares y amigos, pero una vez que ingresé supe que fue mi mejor decisión. Aquí he adquirido muchos conocimientos y destrezas en la práctica médica, además de crecimiento espiritual y humano, que ha sido forjado no solamente con el esfuerzo individual, sino también de muchos profesores y médicos que a lo largo de toda mi carrera han demostrado su esfuerzo y empeño en poder crear profesionales de éxito.
Year 2003 was memorable in the history of UCIMED. It was when the Sistema Nacional de Acreditación para la Educación Superior, SINAES, granted the university the highest accreditation rank by meeting the standards for excellence at the higher education level. It became the first private university in Costa Rica to have its medicine and pharmacy majors accredited, fact that grants its prestige and renown to its graduates.
Yo les puedo decir que actualmente yo tengo 20 años de trabajar en el Hospital Clínica Bíblica como jefe del servicio de ginecobstetricia, que fue la especialidad que hice, y la mayoría de los compañeros que hay aquí somos egresados de la UCIMED. Ya después de mi primera generación hay algunos, y después la mayoría que hay que trabajan acá son egresados de la UCIMED y algunos son profesores actualmente.
We know your thirst for knowledge does not stop. For that reason, UCIMED offers the possibility of doing postgraduate study to those students who want to deepen their knowledge. They can choose from the different options offered by the university on the basis of its training and educational experience. In our main campus, you will have access to auditoriums, several classrooms, spatial labs, computer lab with video conference system, individual or group study areas, health library, cafeteria, so that students really experience an ideal place for learning and studying. Academic excellence at UCIMED is not negotiable. Ongoing research is one of our features. It allows us to contribute to science both in the shape of theoretical data as in meticulous lab research. Furthermore, data are validated by fieldwork, and the resulting findings are published as scientific papers or textbooks, which contributes to the reinforcement of the current privileged position of the institution. UCIMED is proud to have high academic standards that place us among the most efficient educational institutions in Latin America. It is also registered in the World Directory of Medicine Schools from the World Health Organization. It has international prestige, which has resulted in cooperation agreements with universities in the United States. These factors take our educational experience to the next level, not only regarding our academic offerings, but also in a cultural level.
Yo tuve la oportunidad, gracias a los UCIMED, de realizar 2 bloques de mi internado en HCMC, que es el Hospital del Condado de la ciudad de Minneapolis, Minnesota, que es un centro clase A en cuanto a traumatología y emergencias de ese tipo. Definitivamente fue una experiencia inolvidable que me dio la oportunidad de desarrollarme no solo como un profesional en el área de la salud, sino también como persona.
As another example of our academic excellence, since June 2006, the University of Medical Sciences offers its students and professionals who want to study or work in the United States of America the theoretical preparation to get the North American certification through the Kaplan Medical Center. In this way, the student travels just to take the test, which is a way to save time and money. It also opens the doors for a great future in health sciences. UCIMED invites you to become part of a learning process in a place that combines urban and modern physical spaces with the quietness of a shelter within the city. It is a place where your lifestyle as a student will be positively reflected in your professional future. UCIMED has graduated more than 4,000 professionals from all over the world who now practice in different parts of the world. They choose UCIMED as their academic institution because it offers the best academic conditions and allows them to achieve personal and professional success. UCIMED is not just an university, it is also an integral institution. The modern Costa Rican hospital system welcomes students in a realistic way that allows future medical science professionals to come into direct contact with the everyday experiences in a health institution. This is possible because, as part of their studies, students must do an internship in which they rotate through the different hospital services and are guided by highly qualified professionals who will take them step by step in the process of analyzing everyday cases and experiences that will enhance their learning. Our students have access to private and public medical institutions, local health clinics, and bigger public hospitals, which is a contributing factor to their overall education. We could keep talking for hours about the advantages offered by the University of Medical Sciences. But for now, I invite you to come visit us. At UCIMED, academic excellence is not negotiable, nor is the prestige of our professionals. So, our commitment is to you and your future.